Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Ooh. Oh no, no. I saw undercovers.
No, that was in the port right there.
Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa.
One of you mother hit my car, I swear.
Ooh,
Be a
Keisha.
second time. Oh, no. Oh, hell no.
Oh.
No. Don't away from us. Go, babe, go. Just get good. Oh, thank God.
Man.
When I need a fly chick, real like me, need a real fucking right, real shit, fucking right, real shit, make some time, night, get some real dick, y'all, breadwinner.
Cause he be doing shit right outside of our house now. All the time. I hear it.
Seriously? You fucking hit the brakes for no goddamn reason, you asshole.
A burger. She's like, ooh, yummy. I want it. I gotta have it. I need a burger.
Watch it!
Stupid freaky.
You're supposed to yield.
Yeah, this person's on doing something too. He's not paying any attention.
The top is like all but.
Dumbass.
It's not tolling up though. It's like
No,
it's
but
like
I mean, but they
tall.
should have been
I know.
tall enough that they could have had like a little loft.
What did that person do? Oh my God! Oh, first watch it because this person's on drugs or.
Literally,
I wouldn't
what the
even
fuck is
engage
wrong with
myself in
her?
that.
I'm just looking at who this
Oh
man
my
is.
God! I don't know. What the fuck? You moron.
Jesus Christ.
What are you doing?
Continue on East Camino Real Avenue.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.